How to send video from camera roll as a snap and not in chat. To send a video from your camera roll as a snap, simply follow these simple steps. Firstly, open Snapchat and swipe right or tap on the camera screen to open the main snap screen. Now, go to the any gallery icon, the small square at the bottom left corner, or go to any videos right next to your camera button. Now browse through camera roll and select the video you want to send. So here you can see I have choose this video to send as a snap. Now long press on this snap video. Then tap on the remix snap option available there. Once you tap on the remix snap, now video record this video by tapping on the snap button option available there. Long press on it and you have started recording it again. Now stop. Now, if you want to edit it, then you can edit it using different filters of Snapchat and tap on the send to and send it to your friends. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.